Ben met a red hen
in a pen with 10.
He said, "Hello, hen." The hen said,
Hello, Ben. The red hen said,
"Let's sit on the bed."
so Ben and the hen
Sat down and fed.
A little pet dog ran in from the den.
It wagged and it begged and sat by Ben.
Let's get some bread.
Said Ben to the hen.
I will get 10.
Said the happy hen.
They fed the pet and the dog said yum.
It licked and it wagged and had lots of fun.
A red pen fell from Ben's small desk. The hen said,
"Oh, let's draw with the pen next."
They drew a red hen
And a big round bed
a pet in a den.
and some fresh bread.
They laughed and they said,
This day was the best.
then Ben and the hen
Went back to rest.
So if you see Ben and his red hen,
Say hello to them
again and again.